Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily download a video from Snack Video application, and the video will be without watermark. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open Play Store and you have to write down Snack Video without watermark, and in the third option there is application. Just click on it, and in my case it is already installed. You have to install this application, and after that click on this green button written as open. Just click on it and this application will open in front of you. Now what you need to do is you have to grab a link from the Snack Video application. So we are going to open a Snack application here. So this is the Snap application. So we are going to select the video that we want to download. So this is the video that we want to download. Just now click on the share button, and after that just copy the link from here and now move back to the downloaded application, and here you need to just click on paste link and download. Just click on it, and after that the automatically link will be shown. Just click on download, and after that it will start downloading your video. So here you see download is complete. Now just click on view, and this is the video. Just click on it, and here you see this is the video and it has no watermark on it. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.